So, a new video. What's this about? Well, I've got the K800i, and you know, this is one of my this is probably my favorite phone alongside of the iPhone 4. This video is going to be about me removing the rubber. It's going to be just a simple video. It's going to be kind of quick depending on how quick it is for me. But yeah, so you may be wondering where's the battery and the battery's cover. Well, I've got the battery somewhere else, and obviously everything's working, but the battery cover, I did that off video. I just wanted to test out how it works and how it looks. Well, oh god, it looks so much better. I mean, considering the fact that I've owned, well, my family's owned the K800i for like ever since it came out. What companies used to do was they used to add rubber to make it feel really nice and really, I don't know, a good texture, I guess. But I don't think they anticipated that 10, 11, 12 years down the line, the rubber would start becoming really disgusting and like this. When I got this for my birthday, the first thing when I held it was just ask, like, this is really sticky. Well, I wouldn't call it sticky, but really grippy. And that's when the rubber starts deteriorating, when it starts gripping onto dirt and crap. Look at that. Here is the cover itself. Look at that. Look at that. That is, it's shiny because I removed all the rubber with isopropyl alcohol, and look at that. It actually looks fantastic. You know what? Let me put this on actually. You can see the difference right there in the color. Look at that. Yeah, that's all clean, and this is all nasty. So I'm going to be removing the rubber here. Now ideally I would actually want to get a new housing, and I've found one on eBay. It goes for like £3 or something, so it's quite cool. And I'm actually going to do that just to keep it as a backup. But yeah, I'm going to remove the rubber off of this because I've got the ability to, and it actually doesn't look too bad. So I've got my isopropyl alcohol here, and I've got my tissue roll over here. Just do that. And I'm just going to close up a little bit, and then all I got to do here is just start rubbing it down like that. Now what's good about isopropyl alcohol is that it evaporates, so it's really safe to work on electronics. So for your motherboards and so on and so forth. Now already I can feel an improvement. Already I can feel one. So you just gotta keep doing that. Now already you can see that the rubber's actually starting to come off. And there goes my phone. I don't know where I can find good. There we go. Yeah, it's really hard to see, but you can see the rubber's actually starting to come off. So you just gotta keep rubbing it down. This shouldn't be too long because it's just a simple process. And when I did this only took maybe like 20 minutes. So yeah, that's just not pretty bad at all. And you can see all of the disgusting dirt. And I forgot to also say that I took a lot of photos while I was doing this, so you can see the progress photos that I'll show up after this. Right, just gotta keep going. There you go. Here's some more progress right there. And by the way, this will get very sticky. Look at this. I can actually, I don't wanna drop it, but can actually just hold it off my finger. So it's gonna get sticky, but you shouldn't care because you're removing it anyways, and it's part of the process. Right guys, so far it's going really well. So I just wanted to pause it right here. I just wanted to show you how it looks. Now of course it's still got rubber and it still looks a bit nasty, but it's getting there. You can see that it's a lot shinier at the top now. And actually let me put the bottom cover on. So yeah, it's obviously still got, we've got some work to do, but it's getting there. You can see right here that the rubber's gone, and this feels a lot stiffer. Not stiffer, but a lot stickier because there's still a lot of sticky rubber right here. Like, yeah, I've got a lot of work to do, but it's getting there. It's getting there. Right guys, here's a finished result. Now I've got a little bit left on this side to do, but you can't even see it. This looks fantastic. Now it turns out that I actually took off the entire layer that the rubber was on. Now you see here, you've got like this, you can see how it's got like a little bit of a glossy type of look. well, that's basically where the rubber was actually sitting on, and I just removed the rubber. So this coating is still left. Now when I was rubbing the rubber off here, I actually took that coating off and I had to spend a lot of time scrubbing it down to get it off. Now it looks fantastic, and I've only got 3 minutes left on this recording, so let's plug this in. There we go, boot up. I've got some it's got some plastic there, you can just see my face over there. Yay, it works. Alright, cool. There we go. Oops. There we go, everything works. In the last maybe 2 weeks I haven't uploaded, and the reason why is because I've been doing a lot of work on fixing things, and just life got in the way. So remember this RV511? I fixed it. Well, obviously you can see all the scratches and stuff. But basically, oh god, I fixed the charging port. Now obviously this isn't perfect yet, I haven't clipped in properly, but yeah, I fixed the charging port. Now everything works. So thank you everyone for watching. More videos will finally be coming out with this, and I will see you again in the next video.